Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to unsync iPad from iPhone. If you want to unlink your iPad and iPhone, then you can go to your settings. If your iPad or iPhone are connected or logged in with the same ID, then you can tap on your name and then look for this iCloud option over here, tap on it, and then you can choose the application you want to unsync. Like I want to unsync my message app or messages between iPad or iPhone, so you can disable and download the messages. So yeah guys, you can choose one by one each an application and passwords, mails, the drive, and unsync them guys. So yeah, so you have to do it one by one. So that's how you can guys unsync your iPad or iPhone applications. Hope you like it. Subscribe to more video guys. Till then, bye bye.